Salutations, second graders. Welcome to Math Lesson 33 on our mobile learning platform. This week, we are going to do some review of our multiplication facts. Multiplication is very important in math for your third grade and beyond. So we're going to go ahead and do some review. That's what we're doing Monday and Wednesday. Remember, Tuesday is awards, so there won't be any math. Make sure that you are practicing and that you practice over summer your multiplication facts so you know them all by heart. Here we go. What is any number times 0? Any number times 0 is 0, right? Multiplicative property of 0 is any number times 0 is 0, because if I have 1 0 times, I have 0 because I never got 1, right? Okay, so friends, just to review, we've done these before. Here we go. 1 times 1 is 1. 11 times 1 is 11. 9 times 1 is, shout it out, guys, 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 12 times 1 is 12. 10 times 1 is 10. 0 times 1 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 times 1 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. How did we do, guys? Pretty good? So now we're going to do it. Same thing. Pretend like you're playing around the world in the classroom and see if you can shout out the answers. I'm going to see if you can shout them out before me. Are you ready? Shout them out. Here we go. Doing our 2s. And go. 5 times 2 is 10. Good. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 times 2 is 14. Good job. Second grade, keep going. 4 times 2, 8. 1 times 2, 2. 0 times 2, 0. 2 times 2 is 4. Sorry, guys, I forgot to flip some of those. 9 times 2 is 18. Let's see, am I right? Yes. 11 times 2 is 22. 6 times 2 is 12. 8 times 2 is 16. Good job, second graders. Then we have 12 times 2 is 24. 10 times 2 is 20. How many of you got all of those right? Give yourselves a pat on the back. Good job, second grade. Let's do our 3s. Remember, this is just our multiplication review. If these are easy for you, awesome. If they're not, then that tells us we need to do a little bit of practice this summer so we're ready for third grade, right on? Okay, so let's go ahead and do our 3s. Ready? Just like we did before, around the room, around the world. Here we go. 11 times 3 is 33. 12 times 3 is 36. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Good, second grade. 9 times 3 is 27. 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 3 is 24. 10 times 3 is 30. 1 times 3 is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 3 is 6. Good job, second graders. We're going to do our 4s, and then if we have time, we'll do 5s today. And then we'll be done, and we will meet again tomorrow to go over some more multiplication facts. So let's go ahead, get ready. Ready for your fours? Here we go. Same thing, round the world style. 9 times 4 is 36. 8 times 4 is 32. 0 times 4 is 0. Good, guys. 4 times 4 is 16. 12 times 4 is 48. Oh, good one. That one's hard for some of you. It's okay. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. Good job. 10 times 4 is 40. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. Have you beaten me? 4 times 11 or 11 times 4 is 44. How many of you got it right? 6 times 4 is 24. All right, second grade, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do our fives. Remember, fives is just counting by fives. We're skip counting. So let's see how we do. Are you ready? Last one for today, my dears. 9 times 5 is 45. 11 times 5 is 55. 7 times 5 is 35. 10 times 5 is 50. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 5 is 25. If you're saying it faster than me, that's great. 6 times 5 is 30. 2 times 5 is 10. 8 times 5 is 40. 0 times 5 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. And 12 times 5 is 60. Awesome possum, second grade. That wraps up our review for today. Meet me here tomorrow, or Wednesday. And we will do the 6 through 10 of our multiplication facts. Have a great day. Join me soon for some more mobile learning. Bye now.